This video tells you how to download student data files for your ITC 117 class. What you need to do is go to the Internet Explorer and type in cengagebrain.com. Now, this is the textbook that you'll be using. This is what it looks like. Microsoft Office 2010. And on the last page of the cover, I'm opening up the book to the last page of the cover, and it tells you again, for downloading student files, go to cengagebrain.com, and it also says for detailed instructions and visit another website like right here, but I don't think you need to. If you follow my video, you should be able to download the files just fine. So let's begin. First of all, we need to go to the internet and in your Internet Explorer type in cengagebrain.com. There we go, cengagebrain.com, and here we go. Now the first step is you are supposed to type in your ISBN number. Now the ISBN number, you will find it on your textbook on the back cover of your textbook. I'm pointing at it right here. There's the ISBN number. There's two numbers, says ISBN 13 and ISBN 10. Either number will work. There's a 13-digit ISBN number or the 10-digit ISBN number. I'm going to use the first one, the ISBN 13-digit one. So that's the very first one here. So click and type in right here, type in your ISBN number, and that is 978-1-4390 dash 7838 -9, and click the Find button right here. Find. Now when it comes up, you're going to be looking for the picture of your textbook, and here it is. This is the one. It matches your textbook. Check to make sure. This is the one. Okay, now we're going to go to where it says scroll down where it says Study Tools, and click on the button that says Access Now. Now when it comes up, you will see you can actually select the downloads by chapter. If you want, you can click on here and you can select word processing one chapter at a time or whatever, but I recommend not doing it one chapter at a time. Let's go to where it says Student Downloads down here. Click on Student Downloads, and here it comes. On the right hand side, you can do 3 chapters at a time. All the PowerPoint downloads are right here, and it says Download Now. All the Excel chapter downloads are here, so you click there to download Excel. All the word processing chapters are here. You click here to download the Excel chapters, and that's let's see, this also we're going to do Access chapters. So we're going to do the Word chapters, Excel, PowerPoint, and database. Let's start. I'm going to start with a simple one that's a real short download so I can show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to start by downloading the Excel chapters. Actually, you're going to really begin with the word processing chapters, but it takes too long for it to download for me to do a quick demonstration. So I'm just going to start with downloading Excel. You'll do the same thing when you do word processing by clicking where it says word processing. But right now, I'm going to show you with the Excel chapters because it's a quick download. All you do is double click on that, and it says you choose to open. You want to save the file. Click Save the File. Now I don't know how your downloads will work. It's a zip file, all right, but on mine, you know, to download them when it comes up here, okay, when it comes up here, I just double click on it. I don't know how yours works, but you know, double click to download it. Now it says it's an executable file. Just click OK. Now it says you want to run it. You sure you want to run this software? I'm going to click Run. It's okay to do this. This is safe software. Now listen, this is essential. Make sure you know where you're going to save it. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the Browse button. And I'm going to save mine for our purposes right now. I'm going to go to the desktop to save them. Now you can switch to your stick drive or wherever you want, but I'm going to go to the desktop first and click OK. Now when I click Unzip, 10 files were unzipped successfully. Click OK. And now let's see, successfully done. So I'm just going to click the close box. Whoops. And now I'm going to close out of that, and I'll just close that and get out of here. Now I'm going to go to Windows Explorer, and the easiest way to do that is hit the Windows key on your keyboard. Hold the Windows key down, that's like under the letter Z, and then hit the E key. So Windows key and then E for Explorer, and up comes Windows Explorer real quick. Now I'm going to double click on the desktop, and here are my downloads. I've got Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Now listen, I would really recommend that you do this. Double click, right click on the title and go down to Rename, and where it says Chapter 01, click in front of where it says Chapter, and type Excel. So it now says Excel Chapter 1. Now right click on Chapter 2 and rename it. Rename, and click in front of the C for Chapter and type Excel. So it now says that, well, I guess I got Chapter 3, and now we'll do Chapter 2, and right click on that and click Rename, and click in front of the word Chapter and type Excel. So what I've done is on those 3 chapters, I just highlighted them and I renamed them. Okay, I just wanted you to see that. Now, in Chapter 1, there's an Apply folder, a Cases folder, Chapter Files, whatever. I'm going to click on the Chapter Files. Oops, nothing's in there. Let's see, Cases and Places. I don't know why there's nothing in those folders, but okay, yeah, there's one in the Apply. When you do the Apply problems, they'll tell you to open up the close campus 3rd quarter file, and that's it right there. That's where it is. You just open that up. So it's really easy to download these files. Just go to the website, type in the ISBN number, and then when it brings you to the chapter downloads, just click on where it says downloads. And but the reason I'm telling you about renaming the files, like I renamed it Excel Chapter 1, Excel Chapter 2, Excel Chapter 3. The reason I'm having you do that is when you go to download the word processing files, for some reason, I don't know why they did it. Whoops, I don't know why they did that. Let me just make these things smaller. Okay, and they name everything Chapter 1, 2, 3. So you have a bunch of file folders that all say Chapter 1, 2, 3. So you need to name them, Excel Chapter 1, Excel Chapter 2, Excel Chapter 3, and then do the same thing for word processing. When you download that, call it call it Word Processing Chapter 1, Word Processing Chapter 2, Word Processing Chapter 3. So that's a way of storing those on the desktop of your computer, so you know right where they are. Of course, if you're going to use a different computer to do your work, you'd want to save them onto your stick drive instead, so you can take your stick drive and use it on a different computer. That's all there is to downloading the files. Okay, so there you go. Good luck.